Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to Ikea. It's going to be a bit of a vlog, bit of a day in the life, bit of what I'm doing. But today we are going to Ikea to make a trainer set, would you say? Trainer room. Basically somewhere to store my trainers, so we're going to be like a budget sneaker room, should I say. Because I've got nowhere to put my shoes, they're all in boxes, all on top of boxes. I've got about 20 boxes that need homes, so yeah. I'll see you in the first clip. We've just got to Ikea, as you can see. The plan for today is to get some shelves so that we can sort my new sneaker slash trainer room out. Because I've got like 30 pairs of shoes which need putting on the wall basically. So yeah, let's see what we can find in there. Now this is goals. This is in Ikea if anyone's wondering. Imagine having a walk-in wardrobe that looks like this. Right, I think we're going to go for 3 of these. I've got like 30, less than 30 pairs of shoes, so maybe if it's 3 of these or 2 of these long ones, because I also want it to match what's in the room. Yeah, I think I'll pick up 3 of these or 3 of these or 2 of these long ones. So we'll see. This is so heavy. Right, so I've just left Ikea. Left with probably quite exaggerated amount. So we just left Ikea. We've left 3 shelves, there, and some sort of cardboard box, a few candles. But yeah, I'm going to do a time lapse of me putting these up and decorating my room. Hear that? I'm going to do a time lapse of me decorating my room and putting these shelves up. Right, and like that, 3 shelves done, took about 45 minutes, and not looking bad considering. Might be a bit off with that one, but still. And there you go. Finished. Got my Louis Vuitton duffel bag with my Christian Louboutins and another LV twin set rucksack. That's what it looks like finished. Looks very good, if you don't mind saying myself. Might become a joiner. Very, very nice. All I think I'm missing now is maybe some attire on the back of the walls and some lights to lighten all this up, because these are very, very dark. If you made it this far, thank you again for watching my video. I really do appreciate it. It takes a while to make them, but again, as you can see, the background shelves are all up. It looks really good. This is the end of the vlog, so if you did enjoy, please don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you are new, and I'll see you in the next video.